All right, this might be good. It's ringing the high tone. I already dug it out, and it's right in here somewhere. It's right there. It's ringing 89, 87. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's still there. Somewhere in here. Oh, what is that? What is that? I just saw something good. What? Holy cow. I have never found one of these. Is that gold? No, that can't be gold. It's coming off. I think. Well, it's still got the glass. It's still got the glass. I think. All right. This is a the find of the day easily.